everyone, especially to my 54 subscribers. Thank you so much for the support, guys. Okay, now I'm going to show you again a trap, which is the against modern defense trap. Let's start. So e4, king's pawn opening, then g6, Robatsch modern defense, d4, d6, then knight c3, bishop g7, and knight f3, a Robatsch defense 2 knights variation. Next is c6, Robatsch defense 2 knights Suttles variation. Next is bishop e3, then knight d7, bishop d3, then knight f6, queen d2, queen c7, bishop h6, okay, short castle. Next is h4, intending to play h5 to eliminate the pawn on g6, b5, h5, so this is what I'm saying. So knight takes h5, rook takes h5, g takes h5, and the last move is queen g5. As you can see, Black King has no option but to accept the fact that the white pieces is going to checkmate the Black King. Let's back to bishop h6. So guys, if you encounter a game like this, you should take the bishop on h6 so that you can prevent a incoming checkmate. Because in chess, every little and simple move of our opponent, behind of it is an unexpected, beautiful attack. So we shouldn't belittle the move of our opponent. We should always try to calculate, and so example is try to figure out that why it moved like this, why it sacrificed like this, so that you can prepare a good counter attack for them. Okay, this is the next one. It is a variation of against modern defense trap. So let's start. e4 again, then g6, d4, d6, knight c3, bishop g7, knight f3, then c6, and bishop e3, knight d7, bishop d3, knight f6, queen d2, queen c7, bishop h6, so short castle, then h4, intending to play h5 to eliminate the pawn on g6. Next is b5, then h5, okay, b4, then h takes g6, b takes c3, threatening the queen on d2, so g takes h7, check, okay, king h8, then bishop takes g7, so king takes g7, and h8, which is the pawn promoted to a queen, check again. So the king cannot capture the queen because it is visible that there has a rook on h1, so only the rook can takes the queen. Rook takes h8, then queen g5, check again, king f8, and rook takes h8, check again, force move, defend knight g8, but the last move is queen takes g8, checkmate. So this is the variation of against modern defense trap, and I hope you learned something from this video, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.